show, talk for fun. With me, Shali Sadia. Okay. First, we are going to make rainbow braid. And for the ingredients, we are going to have butter, bread, and
What is that? Rainbow rice.
rainbow rice.
Okay.
And we are going to need the butter. First, we take the butter. Take the butter. Take the bread. Take the butter.
Can we have different shapes for the bread, or must it be triangle?
You can make different shapes. It's up to you.
Okay. Okay, continue.
Now you're going to spread the butter on the bread.
What's next?
Next, you're going to sprinkle.
Okay, you're gonna put it on the rainbow rice. Oh, okay. Then?
Now,
Oh. Okay. Yeah. So can you show us how it looks like?
it looks like this.
Now can we eat that already?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show us how to eat it?
To eat it,
Oh. Mmm.
it's delicious. You can try at home.
Who? Your friends?
Yes.
What does it taste of?
There's butter, bread, and rainbow rice.
Yes, of course. Okay. Thank you for showing us. So, do you have anything to say to your friends?
Yes.
Maybe you want to say goodbye to them?
Bye.
So, are they going to see you again for your next show? Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Next time for Talk for Fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.